Hi guys, welcome back to Company Hearing YouTube channel. Here is the great opportunity from rtCamp is hiring associate to Python engineers in 2025. You will get a free training for 6 months where you will learn Frappe framework and work on real open source projects. This is the best part. You can work from home or anywhere in the India. Salary starts at 25,000 per month during the training period of 6 months, and after confirmation of the company, you will get the 12 LPA salary and 1.5 lakh bonus. Eligibility criteria: strong Python basics, active GitHub profile, and students from CS, IT, ECE background can apply. Who are 2024 and 2025 pass outs can apply and get the chance to work on RT campus company. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and support my channel.